If you're new to Moomoo and want to start trading stocks, here's a quick guide to get you going. Step one, set up your account. Download the Moomoo app or use the desktop platform. Sign up by providing your personal details and verify your identity. Once approved, link your bank account to fund your trading account. Step 2, explore the interface. Upon logging in, you'll see several tabs. Watch list, monitor stocks you're interested in, markets, view real-time market data and trends, accounts, check your portfolio and balances, discover, access educational resources and community insights, manage your account settings and preferences. Step 3, research stocks. Use the code space to analyze stocks. Tap on stock to view detailed information, including price changes, value, market cap, and more. Utilize charting tools and technical indicators to assess stock performance. Step 4, place a trade. When you're ready to trade, tap the trade button on the stock space. Choose between a market order buy sells at the current price or a limit order sets a specific price. Enter the quantity of shares you wish to trade and reveal your order. Once satisfied, confirm the trade. Step 5, monitor your investments. After executing your trade, monitor your positions through the Accounts tab. You can set alerts for price changes and track your portfolio's performance over time. Remember, investing involves risks, so it's essential to do thorough research and consider your financial goals before trading. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments below.